For question number 2, we have to find the displacement after 5 seconds. The graph is given, and I found my answer by finding the area of the different components of the graph. So the first box, which I labeled A, goes from the unit 2 to the unit 4. And to find the area, you multiply and you get 8. For the second area, I labeled B. When you look at the triangle, it goes 4 meters to the x-axis, or t, and 8 meters up, because we're starting from the point 2. So 4 times 8 equals 16, and that is the second area. The last area is 1 times 10, because from 4 to 5 is 1, and from the 5 to the top to the 10 is 10. And when you add it all together, you do 8 plus 8 plus 10, and that gives you 26.